I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep quiet, maneuver in silence, then let them in, talk up their body, another one body, that's just how it go. I got some secrets, I'm shaking the game so they stay on their toes. Stay in your lane, I to stay on the go. I came to play with the pros and act like a rookie, so they overlook me, then I double up again, none of their nose. None of them cold, they just got lucky but never adapted, so I'm turning to one if it's coming to blows. My enemies cutting it close, I let them think that they got me, but what do you know? I had them beat before we ever spoke, I'm ready for smoke. I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now they ain't go harder than me, they need a blade in a sheath, a shank in a piece, a crate full of heat, an army, a fleet, a tank and a jeep, a navy at sea, with ace a marine, an ace up their sleeve, a team of marines, a freak on a leash, a beast with an appetite, razor for teeth, and still they would lay at my feet. Boy, you got the wrong one. I gotta look over all of my publishing statements for Q1 as soon as the song's done. I gotta call up my mama and tell her I made it as soon as my log's done. I gotta read all my trade publications and sip my tea till it is all done. I think it's all fun. I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything.
Workout done, posing done. It was a very quick and effective workout because we want to use the rest of the day to explore the city. First, we're gonna go check on our house, see if there's anything actually to take a picture of.
Yeah.
We heard framing is going in, so we'll see what that looks like. And then we're gonna go head home. We're gonna go explore. So a lot of today's vlog is gonna be scenery, where we go, what we do, not a lot of talking, so here we go. So, pulling up on our new house, and it's more than just framing. Well, I don't even know. Well, I would green electrical box that's in front of our house, or like to the corner. So we were driving up, we're like not sure which one it is, just find the box. And we found it. Like goosebumps. Like that's ours.
Yep.
Pile of dirt and wood.
And that's Wesley's part.
Oh, we're gonna get out and just take a closer look and be those creepers in the neighborhood.
Hey, we already paid for a part of it.
It's true.
I said, whoa, I'm on my own. We spoke on the phone, that's all she wrote. She said,
the house is framed. You can see the staircase right there. That's gonna be the dining room, the kitchen, movie room, master in the back. Oh, I cannot believe it's like all.
Actually, it looks like.
Thinking about it. 6 side trips down to see you by the coast. I would say I love looking better than for most. I used to show you pictures to my friends just to boast about your energy. Ooh, yeah, in that 4.0, yeah. Never thought I had to look again. Way too focused on your ex and them. Really think you need some better friends.
The street that we bought on has this like nice little lot, So it's not just house after house after house.
I said, whoa.
The houses next to us. But there's like this nice little farmville.
She said, leave me alone, so I'ma go. Spending all our time and we went for broke. But you could've made it last year. I won't put it past you. I said ride the wave, but you sank the ship so fast, yeah. You weren't on my side because that would make you mad.
We beat the market too. We beat the prices. We swooped in and purchased, and then the market went up like literally a week later. So we are super excited. It's cool to see how close it is too, like relatively. We obviously knew that that was the lot, but to see like how big it's going to be in retrospect to the street and the little, ooh, so excited. I mean, it should be done right when the winter hits, January. Okay, so we are both hungry. So next thing you guys will see, post-workout meal.
Nobody else would know what that means, except you and me. I swear that a minute I get it, you needed your peace. But do not forget it, you need a release. You cried in my arms, I need you to breathe. Where were you at when I needed you, please? Oh, when I needed you.
Jay is in the process of building content for himself, so we just did a impromptu photo shoot with this river and this sidewalk. So you may or may not see some cool pictures coming up soon. And the perks of being at a park, we can picnic. So we're gonna enjoy our meal prep, find a bench or a table, let Wesley run around. Pictures are done. Jay looked stellar. And we're good. That's a good boy. Turn it up. Wow.
I know, double turkey.
Okay, successful picnic. We decided that we want to go downtown and kind of putz around Main Street and up and down a couple of the streets. So we are going to head there first, and then we're going to head back, get ready, and then it's date night. So we ordered the new pumpkin creme brulee with soy milk and my big Americano with almond milk and Splenda, and then his like breve sugar-free white chocolate something.
Chocolate macadamia nut.
Macadamia.
Thought we were going Gatorade.
This actually sounds quite delightful, but so do these. So
Everything in airport sounds delightful. Dried fruit, seeds, dark chocolate pieces, and turkey jerky. Yeah.
Like, that looks bomb. Like, macros are pretty good too.
There.
Don't worry. She's She's in there.
She full.
I packed a lunch. So we obviously made it to the airport. Early morning. I got up at 4 and could not go back to sleep, so I got all my cardio done. Got Jay some coffee and breakfast, and then we headed out real quick. So I have meal prep. Jay already had his breakfast. I think we board in like 10 minutes, and Dad's picking us up.
Yep.
What a guy.
What a guy.
What a guy on a Sunday. The plan for the plane flight is to get my YouTube video done, do some editing, going through pictures from the trip, because we did a photo shoot for the lovely. And then we'll probably wrap up the vlog, because we're going to do meal prep and a lift and call it a day. I'm going to lift. It's his day off. Coolest part about security today is they did not stop me with my bag. On the way here I got stopped for my ice packs, but they did not call it out this time, because I definitely have ice packs and a lunch packed.
You call my bluff, I won't pick up, I let it ring. Record your voice so I can listen back again. And I'm sorry I'm not perfect, but I knew that I wouldn't be. I guess it's for the best, you know the worst in me. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. And I feel misunderstood, cause I'm trying hard to love. I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. So do you wanna take me back? All of our broken plans, so we can start again. Won't turn down a second chance, I'm too selfish for that. I let you fall again, now that you know that. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was.